Hello, everyone. Welcome back. All praises go to the Most High Yah. Thank you, Father, for allowing me to see another wonderful day. Okay, so for those of you who don't know me, my name is Joyce McTeer, and I'm going to be your host for today's video. Today, I am featuring a new wire wrap design. This design is called loops. If you are interested in taking this step-by-step class, please hit the more button that will take you down into the description box. Everything that you want to know about this class is going to be located down in the description box for you. I'm going to leave my own email information. I'm going to leave how you are going to make your payment. You're going to make your payment through PayPal, and also how much the class itself costs, okay? This is a step-by-step wire wrap jewelry design technique class. And I'm going to tell you a little bit about the class. It's going to be pretty much a step-by-step class. You're going to get the class sent to you via email. And the thing that I do love that I do with my classes is that you don't get a chance to watch it one time. You can watch it many times so that you can really get the technique down, like you can master it, okay? So once you decide whether or not if you want to take the class, you will send me a payment. And once you make your payment, I will send the class to you via email. You must make sure that you write the name of the class. The name of the class is called Loops. Make sure you write the name of the class, and also make sure that I have your email information on your payment statement so that when you make your payment, I can know which class to send you. So, with that being said, if you are interested in this class, and this class, you can do this, whether you can do this class into a pendant or an earring. Now, what I will show you is I'm going to show you how to make and create this, but I'm not going to be hooking anything up, any string, any fish hooks, or anything like that. You're just going to learn how to make the design. So if this is something that you're interested in, please reach out to me, or you can make your payment and I will send the class directly to you, okay? Thank y'all so much for watching. Please make sure you thumbs up this video so that this video can go into rotation. I greatly appreciate each and everyone's support, and I will make sure, if I haven't said this, the price is going to be down in the description box as well. So if you need to know anything about this class, the class is called Loops, and go down into the description box so you can get the information you need. Thank y'all so much for watching, and have a wonderful and awesome day, everyone. See ya.